All right, welcome to the Summit Collection up at Verdin by Taylor Morrison, and we are in the Tyndall floor plan. Now, the Tyndall might be the ultimate family house. I'm gonna show you exactly why, but if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, follow, because I'm a new construction home specialist, and I bring you everything you need to know about Verdin and the best communities in the Valley, and I even show you how to save so much money, thousands of dollars, time, money, stress. You gotta wait till the very end of the video to find out about our amazing programs, but for now, let's take a tour through the Tyndall. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities, and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, I said it before, I was sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. So walking into the Tyndall, immediately come to the side, we got a couple of nice bedrooms. And why I said this might just be the perfect family floor plan is the flex or teen room as they call it. So if you've got kids, what a great area to have this laid out for them, right? If you're worried about guests coming over and you see their kids' toys or Xbox or PlayStation, all that stuff throughout the house, just put them back here. Flex room, teen room. This could also be, I've seen this set up really nice as a movie room, den, really cool. Now past the teen room, there's a bedroom back here. So maybe you have high school kids going to college, maybe they could live in here. They've got their own walk-in closet, come through here. You still keep your kids close by. Of course, parents want to take care of your kids, but then they can have their own little space here. They have their own bathroom, and then the other bedroom here. So this is almost like kid wing, in my mind, ultimate family floor plan. Now through the Tyndall, when we walk through, another nice feature you'll see is really wide hallways. We coming in to the right here, this is a really elegant, refined office, right? You can close these French doors, have plenty of space. So if you're the type of person that likes to have a really nice, classy vibe office, Tyndall's for you. Great, great layout. If you care about your laundry room, you have a lot of space. Check this out. Laundry room, huge, lots of space. And in this Summit collection, you'll see some of the higher end fixtures, cabinetry, some of the main differences between the different collections that we've seen. And if you haven't seen them, go back and watch our other videos. Is you'll notice there are different cabinetry types, different fixtures available in the different collections, right? They kind of go up in price range and style. And the good thing about Verdin is there is a floor plan out there for all of you, everybody, whether you're a first-time buyer, first-time family, maybe you're downsizing, maybe you're upsizing, and there's a lot of customization, okay? That's why I love Verdin, so much opportunity. Across from that laundry room, we have our powder room for your guests. And then coming through here, really nice little loop comes through here. Butler, chef's area, big walk-in pantry, and then the grand entrance into the kitchen and huge, I mean, really generous living space. That's why I think this is kind of the ultimate family house. I mean, really, really big space here for obviously living area. If you got your formal dining room here, and then I like this feature, which is the triple sliding door that goes out to your backyard, which makes this a really nice way to entertain, have kids over, things like that. Now, if you like the view behind me, you probably should not wait. You should reach out, call, fill out the link. You can schedule a consultation with me. We can take you out here and make sure you get a lot that has these views, because not all the lots do. And I think that's what makes Verdin really unique, is getting one of those lots with really pretty views before the community sells out. Now coming back through here, we're gonna go back, wind around through the kitchen. We haven't been to the primary bedroom yet, but we also have what I think is really neat is another ensuite. So a whole nother primary type feeling bedroom. Great for mother-in-law, parents, grandparents visiting, heck, friends, family, whatever you like, because it's got its own private bathroom here. And it's a pretty good size too. Also the closet, as you'll see, walk-in closet. This was what makes, I think, the Tyndall a really, really functional floor plan for so many people. Now, of course, what everybody wants to see is primary bedroom, which is really, really cool. Great setup. Primary bedroom, great size. High tray ceilings is a really cool feature. When you see raised ceilings, called tray ceilings, Taylor Morrison gives you the option, I believe, in every collection out here, even if you like the, the first one, the Discovery ceilings, or if you like the Discovery series and you want tray ceilings like this, we can do that for you, right? So come through here. You've got full, big, dual vanities here, lots of space, big separate freestanding tub, huge walk-in shower, and then another pretty much bedroom-sized closet. I mean, huge walk-in again. Tyndall's really not lacking anything. The other thing about this collection is the lot sizes, right? The lot sizes are a lot bigger than the previous ones. If you started in our playlist, if you are watching our amazing Verdin playlist, you've probably seen the Discovery, you've probably seen Passage, now Summit, right? The lot sizes here are a little bit bigger. Again, higher end, more refined home. So if one of these looks like a great fit for you, you know what to do. Call, text, email, fill out the link, schedule a consultation. We will take you out here. We will sit with you and help you make Verdin your next home, but there's more. We have a program, a rebate program, where you can save up to $10,000 buying a home here in Verdin. And if you have a home to sell and you're nervous on how all that works, you're not sure about timing, contingencies, we have got you covered. We do guaranteed cash offers. And we also have the option, if you'd like to sell your home on the public market, we can list it and sell it for 1%. I would love to meet you guys. Don't wait. Give me a call, shoot me a text, or fill out the link below and schedule a consultation to come out and check out the Summit collection here at Verdin by Taylor Morrison. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe, because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.